how to connect Bluetooth headphones to the Nintendo Switch. So the first thing that we want to do is actually activate the headphones. So in my case, I'm just going to open up this case. So I'm just going to place this here and just activate the headphones themselves, or just open up the case like I said, and they should be active. Now, what we want to do is click on the settings icon right here, system settings, click on it, and then we will go to Bluetooth audio. Now, right here, we're just gonna click on it, and then we have to select add a device, and it should search for our Bluetooth audio devices. So if it doesn't pop up for you, now sometimes it's not going to pop up, it means that it's not compatible with all Bluetooth headphones, and sometimes you just have to keep it really close to your device if you don't if your Nintendo Switch is not able to find it. But basically just keep on trying if you can't find it for the first time, and make sure all other devices are disconnected from the headphones, and it should be able to locate them here, and it should be able to work for you. Like I said, if it doesn't work from the first time, you want to try a few more times. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.